Hey there folks, welcome to second part of this video where I will be sharing important differentiation questions for JEE. And as you can see, I've already done 5 questions in my previous video, and in this video I'm going to do another set of 5 questions. So here are again what I'm going to do is I'm going to share these questions, and in next video I will share my solutions. So the 6th question here is that here x belongs to R and fx is given as this term, that fx is mod of log 2 minus sin x and gx equals to f of x, and then we need to find the suitable correct option from this set of options. 7th question is, if y equals to sec of tan inverse x, then we need to find dy by dx at x equals to 1, and again we need to find the value, choose correct value from this given set of options. Our 8th question is, if x square plus y square plus sin y is equals to 4, then we need to find the value of d2y by dx square at point minus 2 comma 0, and then we need to find what will be a correct option. Our 9th question is, if fx is equals to sine inverse of this thing, and then we need to find first differentiation at value half, and again we need to choose a correct value from this given set of options. Our last question will be, if x to the power m and y to the power n is equals to x plus y to the power m plus n, then we need to find dy by dx, and then we need to choose a correct option. All these questions are really important and have been repeated in previous exams of JEE for engineering. So I will be sharing solution in my next video. Thanks.